These buttery, melt in the mouth butter cookies are made with just a few ingredients and ready in no time. These are light and crispy and are perfect treats for holidays or even for gifting to your friends and family. Hey guys, this is Darshi and welcome to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make butter cookies with just a few ingredients. And the best part is that I'm going to chocolate dip them and sprinkle some nuts, which are perfect for everyone in the family. So let's get started. Here I have 1 cup of butter, which I'm going to whisk till it's light and fluffy. Now add half a cup of icing sugar and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Continue whisking. Now add 2 cups of all-purpose flour and gently fold it into the butter mix. Bind the dough slightly with the hands and now add the dough to a greaseproof paper. Add another greaseproof paper on top and now roll it. I'm now going to take my 2-inch round cutter and cut circles. Remove the edges, the sides. Now gently pick 1 cut dough. My round cookie doughs are now set in my baking tray. I'm going to bake these at 180 degrees for about 12 minutes. My butter cookies are baked and now cooled also. I'm going to dip them in milk chocolate. Place them on a greaseproof paper and now sprinkle some nuts. So repeat the same with all the other cookies. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.